Ever hit the gas and your car just hesitates? You're pressing the pedal, but the engine takes a second to respond? Well, that's a classic sign of a bad throttle position sensor, or TPS. In today's video, we'll show you how to diagnose, clean, or replace your TPS step by step, and get your car running smooth again. The throttle position sensor monitors how far you press the gas pedal. It sends that signal to your car's computer so the engine knows how much air and fuel to deliver. When this sensor goes bad, your engine gets confused, causing hesitation, stalling, poor idle, or even transmission shifting issues. First, scan your car with an OBD2 scanner. If you get codes like PL1120 to PL1124, that's your clue. The TPS is acting up. Next, use a multimeter to test the voltage signal. With the ignition on and engine off, backprobe the signal wire, usually the middle wire, and slowly press the gas pedal. If the voltage jumps or drops suddenly instead of rising smoothly, your TPS is faulty. All right, now let's replace it. 1. Disconnect the battery to stay safe. 2. Unplug the TPS connector. 3. Remove the screws holding the sensor. 4. Install the new sensor. Make sure the throttle shaft fits properly inside the sensor slot. Reconnect everything and tighten evenly. Five, reconnect the battery and start the engine. If your car has an adjustable TPS, set it so the voltage at idle is about 0.5 volts. Otherwise, plug-and-play types calibrate automatically. After installing the new sensor, take your car for a spin. The hesitation should be gone, throttle response should be sharp, and fuel economy might even improve. If your check engine light is still on, clear it with your OBD2 scanner. Here are a few pro tips for car driver. Always use OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensors. Cheap ones often fail quickly. Clean your throttle body whenever you replace the TPS. Check for vacuum leaks. Sometimes hesitation isn't just the sensor. Keep your battery voltage stable. Low voltage can trick your TPS readings. And that's how you fix throttle hesitation, by replacing the throttle position sensor. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more pro mechanic DIY guides every week.